Hold up, before you scroll, imagine spending an entire year behind the wheel of a 2025 Acura Integra Type S. We did. And the story is wilder than you think. Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into our year-long experience with the 2025 Acura Integra Type S. You guys know I'm a massive Honda Acura fan. And when I got the chance to daily drive and track this beast for 365 days, I jumped at it. From the moment I picked it up, the Integra Type S screamed performance. The 2.0-liter turbocharged engine shared with the Civic Type R delivers a blistering 320 horsepower and 310 pounds-ft of torque. The 6-speed manual transmission is an absolute joy to use, with precise shifts and a perfectly weighted clutch. Initial impressions were through the roof, but the real test was living with it day in and day out. Commuting in traffic, track days pushing the limits, road trips across state lines. The Integra Type S faced it all. We'll cover everything from its fuel economy, spoiler alert, not great when you're having too much fun, to its practicality as a daily driver. We'll talk about the inevitable quirks and annoyances that come with any long-term ownership experience. We're breaking down the good, the bad, and the downright exhilarating, so buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll know if the 2025 Acura Integra Type S deserves a spot in your garage. Seriously, the anticipation is killing me. Over the year, the Integra Type S truly became an extension of myself. On the track, the car felt incredibly planted and responsive. The adaptive dampers do a fantastic job of soaking up bumps while maintaining excellent body control. Steering is direct and communicative, providing ample feedback to the driver. The Brembo brakes offer incredible stopping power and inspire confidence when bombing into corners. I pushed the car hard, exploring its limits and learning its nuances. But it wasn't just about track days. The Integra Type S surprised me with its versatility. While the ride is firm, it's not punishing. The comfortable seats and well-designed interior made long drives bearable. The hatchback design offers plenty of cargo space for groceries, luggage, or even track day essentials. Of course, there were compromises. The fuel economy suffered